come let me teach you how to add voiceovers to your video. Let's say you're a vlogger and you go out there, probably you went to a salon to make your hair and you did a short video of yourself, and now you're wondering, how do I mute the noisy background of the video and add my own voiceover? Don't worry, just sit down, let me show you how it is done in this video. Now I'm not going to waste time. Let's head on straight to my CapCut app. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to add voiceover using the CapCut app. And now it doesn't matter whether you're using the free version of CapCut or you're using the paid version of CapCut. Anyone way they use, you can still add voiceovers to your video. Now let me head on to my CapCut app, and now I have already uploaded my video here on CapCut because I don't want to waste people's time. Let's say I want to add the voiceover to this particular video. Now the first thing you're going to look out for is to be sure that your main video is not too noisy. Let's say you went to a salon, like the example I used earlier. You know that if you go to a salon and you made a video there, definitely there's going to be background noise in that video. Or let's say you went to a market and you did a short video clip there that you want to talk about, definitely there's going to be background noise because yes, the market is loud. So the first thing you're going to do is to either reduce the sound of your main video or totally mute the main video so that you can add your own voiceover to that video. Now this is the video that we want to work on, and obviously there is a background music in this video, so I'm not even going to bother myself to play the video. Now what I'm going to do is either reduce the music or totally off it. Now if you look at this corner, you see where they wrote mute clip, so I can either click on it to silence this video. Now let me play it for you guys to watch. As you can see, there's no sound in the video any longer. And if you don't want to use that mute clip option, because if you have more than one video clip there and you just click that mute clip, all the videos will go silent. Now let's say you just want to reduce the sound or off the sound of just one video. You click on the video and you click on volume, then reduce the volume to 0. That is how you've off the sound of that particular video. Now the next thing we want to do, let me show you guys how to add the voiceovers to your video without wasting time. Now you see these icons down here where we have edit, audio, text, effects, and the rest of them. Now you're going to click on audio. You see extract, sound effect, effects, record, and the rest of them. Now some of these features are paid. Now we are not going to be touching any of those ones because why? We like free thing. Now what we are going to be clicking on is on record. That one you see the microphone sign on it, that record. That's what we are going to be clicking on. Now it's going to bring it to this interface. What we are going to click on is that blue one, the big blue icon, the big blue microphone icon. Now they say tap or press or and hold to record. So I'm just going to tap on it and a countdown is going to show. Hi guys, so I'm doing this video tutorial to show people out there how to add voiceovers to their video. Let's say you're a vlogger and you're finding it difficult to add voiceover. Why not? Why am I here? I'm here to show you guys how all of that is done. So this is like a short tutorial teaching people how to do voiceover. Now let me cut the voiceover, guys. It's getting too long. So I hit the end button and that is it. If you see, our voiceover has added. If you look at it, this blue wavy line thing was not there at first, but after we did the voiceover, it has added. Now let me play it. Hello guys, I'm doing this video to teach my fans out there. There was a mistake. So I'm doing this video to guys, if you notice, there was a mistake. Hello guys, after the first sentence I said, I'm going to cut out that part, you get. To show people out there how to add voiceovers to their video. Let's say you're a vlogger and you're finding it difficult to add voiceover. Why not? Why am I here? I'm here to show you guys how all of that is done. So this is like a short tutorial teaching people how to do voiceover. Guys, leave up. Who they check out now? Who they check out? So we've done that. And now let's say you want to edit the voiceover. So I'm going to go back to do a screen record to show you how to edit this particular voiceover. Although when I start doing the screen record, I will not be able to play it because it will not play out. You won't hear anything. So let me start my screen record to show you. Like I said earlier, at the beginning of when I was saying, hi guys, if you notice it, there's a mistake. I did a mistake, which I'm going to cut it out and delete. I don't know if you know how to use your split and delete function on CapCut. Now, I'm just going to scroll to where I feel like my voiceover should start. If you scroll, you put this white line where you want your voiceover to start and click on the voiceover. That's to highlight it. Then you click on the split. If you see, my voiceover has cut into two. There's one at the right hand side and there's one at the left hand side. Now what I'm going to do is to click on the left hand side where I feel like the mistake is, and I'll hit the delete button. Now if you see at the beginning there's nothing there because I've deleted the first part. Now I'm just going to click on the last one, which I feel is the correct one, and drag it all over to the beginning of the video. Guys, sorry about that. Okay, drag it over to the beginning of the video. Now if I play this thing, it's going to start from where I want it to start, which is perfect, guys. How this is the simple and easy way to add voiceovers on the CAPCUT app if you're editing using CAPCUT app. Now for my people out there that love InShot, that use InShot app a lot, let me end the screen real quick. For people that use InShot app, I'm also going to show you how to add voiceover using the InShot app. I have the two apps on my phone. Why? Because I'm an editor. Any day that one fail, I move over to the next one. Why should I rely on one? You can put all your eggs in one basket. So this is my InShot app. Now let's say this is the video I want to work with. Yes, this is the video I want to work with. Now the first thing, like I said earlier, the same thing you do in CAPCUT, it also applies here, where you're going to mute the sound of the main video. So I'm going to click on mute clip because I want the entire video to be mute for me to add my own voiceover. Now the next thing, you click on audio. Anywhere you want to add voiceover, it's audio now, it's sound. So you click on audio and you hit the record icon. It's going to prompt you to allow if you're using InShot for the first time. If you're not using InShot for the first time, you just do your thing. Now I'll click on record. The countdown is also there, the way it is on CAPCUT. So I'm going to be like, hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to edit how to add voiceovers to your video. And it's very simple, very, very easy, and it's for beginners if you don't know how to do it at all. So it's like I'm holding your hand step by step to show you how it is done. So guys, let me end the screen record because I don't know why I'm saying a lot in this video. So this is it. The same thing on CAPCUT is going to show blue, while on InShot is showing this like orange color. I don't know. So this is how your voiceover is going to look. You can edit it, split and delete any part you don't want, any part you don't like, any part you felt like, oh, I made so much mistake in this part. You can just split it and chunk it out. So guys, that is it for this video. If you found value, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also feel free to drop comments, ask questions in the comment section below if there's anything you don't understand about adding voiceovers to your video. Bye guys, see you in my next video.